Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. On my monitoring spirits will be the Metro and the Sun UK, many of them again. All of them they come outside, they let us know say Arsenal don't send scouts to go watch Danilo of Palmeiras when they play against Atletico Paranense. So they're going to play then for the match and that kind of first half after 45 minutes now the coach come out Danilo to get. So the scouts said they say they will still stay for Brazil to still watch more of the guy again because Arsenal don't put the guy as one of their targets, and not be the first time where they don't put the guy as targets. Even the summer we don't go, even for that January itself, the reason say okay, Alpha for one sign and work. Then the summer we just passed now after the end of the season they tried to sign him again, work. But Arsenal see the reason say they won't use the guy because the guy is a defensive midfielder in B. They are looking at bringing him to provide cover for people like maybe Thomas Partey and the like. So I never know how it will be, whether him truly will sign at the end of the day. I never really know. I be whether will still get more targets or won't go for. I never really know. January now, what you mean November will day now? Before you know December, before you know January, you get. So anytime soon now, the news will come outside. We'll come know whether now we already go for or we get more targets or won't go for. At the same time, Arsenal they in search of a new left back. You get, say this Benfica left back, where they call Alex Grimaldo. So Arsenal the reason say they won't sign the guy to join for our centre backs. And why is it that so? If you notice now, say we will use somebody to be a natural left footer for that left back. We are using a Tomiyasu. Now Tomiyasu is normal position at right back. So but now because of no one to put load for Kylian head, that's why I'm going to let Tomiyasu they play. Now the person who will sign to come provide competition for Kylian, that one self don't get lengthy injury for the past 1 month. He never played. He already missed like 5 games to get. So that's why we are looking at bringing more cover. So they won't bring Alex Grimaldo of Benfica. So anyhow that one self they go, I will let you know. I think that guy is 26 years old and it's going to cost lesser fee. So when he comes, or if he will agree to come, I will let you know because like squad depth we talk about, we need squad members in many people. We should, and not just anyhow just to make up the numbers. So they must have quality. They must have quality. That one is key. So most of the watch and anytime soon now we'll know how that one will go. And today na the birthday of one of our senior man, what they call DG, waiting for the Arsenal community. So one say, Baba, may God bless you today and wish you all the best things life has to offer. So enjoy the rest of your day. Happy birthday from we and the Arsenal community waiting for here. Get him out, Baba. Enjoy your day. Our Kalido Koulibaly will be Chelsea centre back. Don't come and second your one Arsenal. See that Arsenal waiting for first position. See them they come to take that first position from Arsenal hand. You get see the dream we get for Chelsea now to make history. But Chelsea say come the end of the season, they them one day for first position. So you just give Arsenal warning ahead of the match. Arsenal self go play against Chelsea for the league. I think now on Sunday now we'll go play that match. So why they give us warning? And the team I don't like for that match now any kickoff now kind of 1 o'clock or 1:30. I don't just like them. So if it will be like evening, yes, my person will get enough time to prepare for the match. But what we go do now? So now so the match can be. So that match is going to be very significant because we are like 10-11 points ahead of Chelsea. If we can't go beat them again, we can't extend our lead. So them will come all out, say they won't win that match, and they are coming from a loss. Don't forget saying Brighton knocked them 4-1, so they don't go on lose back to back get as a winner. So they go on make sure say they try all their possible best, anything possible to make sure say they beat us because only once we don't lose for the EPL this season, and that was away to Manchester United. So they're going to fight to give us our second loss to get well. But they say as everything they go now because I think we've played 12 games, that we've lost 1 and we drew 1. We won 10. You get so playing Chelsea, anything can happen, but I pray to make everybody day fit. My joy be say people like Saliba, people like Gabriel Jesus, nothing like yellow card hold them. So against Chelsea, don't collect yellow card, make them collect yellow card. Like IS will just miss the Wolves match, and that Wolves match, something miraculous happened. Diego Costa, where they just signed as a free agent, where they play that, where they play very well, he can collect red card for that last match. So he go miss 3 straight matches. So that Arsenal match also he go miss out because that guy they always give us problem anytime we play against us. The guy is very aggressive. So I didn't have to say he go miss their match because I think they played against Brentford. We collect red card. I watch out. You want head boot somebody. The referee can go watch VAR. Go give a red card. So he's going to miss either the next 3 matches, and our match follow for the next 3 matches. So that one said they give me joy. And away from that, so Zinchenko, they expected to return to training next week, or this week rather, not this week. From the look of things, what they hear, many sources, our pundits, and they let us know say the guy is coming back, but whether a full training in the return, having a light training, I can't really say for now. But all we know that is returning to full training before the Chelsea match. That is why then they confident say he will go World Cup. But whether he go play for Arsenal before he go World Cup, that we cannot really say, because that kind of November 13 or thereabout, teams go down, take break from EPL, go join their country, so that we'll get at least 1 week of training before the World Cup will start. So anyway, all these things they go, I will just let you know, more just to watch. Darren Bent don't come outside. They name Saliba and Sven Botman as the 2 best defenders in the EPL this season. And Sven Botman, for those who don't know him, the guy they play centre back for Newcastle. Saliba they play for Arsenal. Now Newcastle have the best defense in the league for this season. Newcastle don't concede very low amount of goals, either 12 or 13. Then Arsenal just consider that 13 or 14. Now one I believe say they take pass on to get. So many games still they come. Newcastle self they are playing very well. They win their matches, especially at home. They just be like Arsenal. St. James Park is a fortress. The Emirates Stadium is a fortress. And when they go away, now they always get some pockets of problems, just like Arsenal occasionally. So more continue this good patch. Even Man City itself, their defense no better pass our defense as of now, and that number of games we don't play now. So now very good improvements based on what happened for last season. At least with the coming of Saliba just come like stabilize everywhere you get. So I just like as everything to go on like that. This is how we talk to one by Evan Ndika. I don't know, our defense will come be as in tight everywhere next January. Whether in January they don't sign up, I never really know. We'll just watch. But I know say Saliba and Sven Botman, they really deserve the place where Darren Bent puts them. They are good. Now away from that, so David Seaman said come outside the talk. So almost say they discuss with one Nottingham Forest defender. So as they call it talk, the guy come talk say the match they play against Arsenal knocked them 5-0. Say the Arsenal passing, you get the pace, you get the slickness. Say everything they very frightened. They don't understand the way Arsenal they pass and play against. Like should say Arsenal outplay them, outclass them. Arsenal show them who be boss. Say them they come from Championship. So Arsenal they let them know say welcome to the EPL. We know be Liverpool you get. So but Sima talking no go mention the name of that player, but the player really praise Arsenal for the way Arsenal really play. Arsenal self they proved themselves, and that was like our biggest win of the season, 5-0. Like we played very well. Rhys Nelson himself, they come outside, they talk saying they dream of signing a new contract for Arsenal, because with the way we stand, I don't even know say that in final year 9 day for Arsenal like this guy don't stay 14 years for Arsenal as in there like this now. He came at Arsenal when he was 8 years old to join the academy, just like always Bukayo Saka. Till now, he said before this season starts, with Ateta get heart to heart talk, normal. So Ateta contact and say he no want send them out on loan, because you know say Fabrizio Romano be tell us say like 3 clubs the reason say make them collect them on loan from Arsenal for the season. So Babaka say no, say me no want me send them out on loan. Say don't see some kind things, some kind traits in the guy. Say the guy don't improve, you don't grow, you don't develop. So mean 60 for Arsenal saying chance could come. And lo and behold, Saka just go get that injury for 20-something minutes. They come from Saka, he just put the guy against Nottingham Forest, and I see what happened. Baba scored 2 goals, give 1 assist. So for the match they go play now against Zurich, the reason say they fit deploy him again main play. Then after that one, the match they will come play against Chelsea. I never know the kind of lineup where Ateta go use for that match. Whether Nelson go see start, I mean they go put Fabio Vieira and Odegaard at the same time. Like I don't really know how everything will be set up. So we'll just watch here. Jack Rosia, will be one of our super pundits and journalists. But back on come outside, the talk say Zaha don't receive the new contract from Crystal Palace, and the guy no dey in a rush to sign that contract. On the contrary, this is how the reason say he won't wait till the end of the season, making see where Crystal Palace go end for the table. After I don't see where they end, then he will decide whether he wants to stay with them. By then the contract will not expire, or whether I want to check other people with the reason, and because you know say he like Arsenal says stylishly like him, you get. So when the opportunity comes, whether Arsenal will go for him, that I never really know. I better not go for him because it's going to come cheap, and the guy is earning £130,000 per week at Crystal Palace. So if you give him £200,000 for Arsenal, he go take him with both hands. This guy don't join a big team before. He joined Manchester United, but he no work out for him. So I don't think he's going back to Manchester United. So he the reason maybe Arsenal. Now only Arsenal see as the likeliest destination, because people like Liverpool will not sign him, because Liverpool get enough firepower on the flanks? Is he going to bench Luis Diaz? I never really know, because it's not as tricky as Luis Diaz. Like, I don't really know in that direction. Man City, I don't see them signing him. They get enough firepower on the flanks. Tottenham Hotspur, they have Kulusevski, they have Lucas Moura, they have Richarlison, so I don't see them signing him. Now only Arsenal get deficiency on the flanks. Now only Arsenal see we go fit sign am, you get. So anyhow with this, that's why my own permutation. No, Chelsea gone, they get Ryan Sterling, they get Pulisic, they get Mount, they get many players. I don't think they go fit sign am. So but now what me I see with that too. So we'll just watch that's January. Our Barcelona don't line up Arteta as Xavi replacement or possible replacement rather, because the way Xavi they carry them go where they know. They don't like the way they do, because how can you go to Champions League and back to back they knock you don't go to Europa League? That means it no make sense. You know, even if you make the group stage, you know if you come up for the group stage. So now what you make the owners, the owners of Barca, the board of directors, they know they're very happy with Xavi. And at the end of the day, if you be saying no, we even win La Liga, maybe Real Madrid go still win them again. So all those things, like they need to win a trophy. This trophy starved. Unlike Real Madrid, where they win anything up and down again. So now the reason say if them sign Xavi because his exit is imminent. So if them sack him, the likeliest person to go say making him replace and then be Mikel Arteta, and Arteta said don't sign new contract. So whether Arteta said will the reason them say he won't go join them, that's what I don't know, because it is a no-brainer for Arteta to help us qualify for Champions League. Who will play next season and making no day to carry us go to Champions League. So you know will make sense. Like where me and they think, well, you know say football, anything can change. We'll just watch. Arsenal they get renewed hope on Yuri Tillemans, because Brendan Rodgers don't confirm say Tillemans and the board of directors they never sign anything. You get the contract extension where they offer to Tillemans, the guy never signed. I'm like, as of now, no talks they ongoing. They know they talk anything. Everybody just they resign. Say at the end of the season, the guy go come out. Even Brendan Rodgers they talk say by the end of the season they will look for some kind targets. Now when I make them not even go relegation first of all, because the way then they play, they are fighting relegation battle early in the season. So whether they will continue like that, or whether they will kick top form, constant to the score, constant to the win games, because when you check the squad they did very, I don't know whether I would say they don't old or whether they don't sharp. They don't really invest in the squad. Look at people like Jimmy Vardy, is not scoring parts in Dakaye, Nacho, Medicine. Only you return them to score some kind of occasional goals. This team is not scoring. Even then the Brendan Rodgers, they just get hope in the guy. I think it was one that won the FA Cup for them or there. I think with them beating and Chelsea be Man City. So for that reason, they just get hope in the guy. I don't know, you just get this bond with the coach. So they don't want just sack him. If the fans like they say, okay, make him resign. He get resign honorably. Nobody say they won't make them fire him because he has done a lot for them. He's a long-standing coach in that Leicester. And remember, say Michael self don't find square root, but don't go knees. You get so they know they really enjoy the way they play, because that guy said they save a lot of balls for the post. So all these things, not this way, you Tillemans will look say, oh my bless them, this one go relegation. They call it tell me say make I sign new contracts. I know they sign Jack gets. So I go wait till the season end. Lashira will be one of our super monitoring spirits and the band of super pundits. So we can talk say William Saliba is having a very great season. So this guy now they're responsible for stabilizing the backline for Arteta. Saying they play very well, and in like the way the guy they play, say Arsenal just the benefit for the fact that the guy don't go out on loan many times. Even when people say make Arteta still start time, Arteta say no, let him still develop to the standard I want. The guy can't develop finish, Arteta can't bring him, he can't play for Arsenal. Now you see that everybody's enjoying the fruit of this labor. They see the way Saliba they play. Now they don't give him a new bumper contract. You know, go believe say Saliba they earn £40,000 per week for Arsenal. So for this new contract, I'm seeing them elevated to around 200 because it's one of the integral members of the team. Even they there, the backline they solid. Get they hard for it to become an aerial threat against Arsenal because Saliba and Morales are very tall. Come Adam with the Ben White and Tomiyasu. So that's why you see corners, nodders, all the cross and nod. It's hard to score it against Arsenal. That is why our team this season was very strong and solid defensively. So the guy really deserves all the accolades when they get. Based on what happened yesterday, so for the Champions League, Tottenham Hotspur then scale through. You get Marcel first score because they hope say Marcel will send them out, make them come for Europa League, but Tottenham Hotspur escape. I think they win 2-1. Now the people they come to Europa League now Sporting Lisbon. Can you imagine that group? Sporting Lisbon they top the group from topping the group. They come down. So I don't know how it be. At the point of Sporting Lisbon for that yesterday, they did for 4-2 for their group stage, for the group standing. Now 90 something minutes where Tottenham Hotspur can score against Marseille. As they score against Marseille 2-1, the table just changed. Marseille just come down to 4th, but Sporting Lisbon go to 3rd. And every match you ask Tottenham Hotspur score, match end. So now Sporting Lisbon and they come Europa League, then Marseille is out, so we are expecting them. Atletico Madrid self no come again. Atletico Madrid end 4th for their own table, so that one they don't carry their own threats, find their square root. So we are expecting Sporting Lisbon, all those Juve, all those Barca. No, those are the South things they go sha. I want to ask yourself, don't get World Cup call up for Japan. They don't call them up saying go join the squad, they go play for the World Cup. And you say himself now Instagram member of the Japanese squad. He can play anywhere across the back line and the defensive midfield. That is why it's very, very important. In versatility, they help and play for anywhere. And himself don't talk say, you don't mind, you don't care wherever in the play, as long as in the play. So if you like, you put him in number 6, if you like, put him for fullback or put him for centre back, you don't care. As long as you then put him on the gameplay, go play. So if you watch our show and you never subscribe, I'm waiting to wait for now. Unless maybe you know they enjoy our show. So if you are enjoying our show, please subscribe. If you're on Facebook, please follow us so that our show will get more reach, will get more and more community members. On Facebook, we get about 49,000 something members, but on YouTube, we get like 8,100 and something members. So if you're on YouTube and you're enjoying our show and you never follow us, I beg, hit the subscribe button. If you never hit the subscribe button, you know if you follow us. And make sure you have an account so that you fit like, share our videos and subscribe us. And as you do so, may God bless you. So my dear football lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.